Hello students, you all have read the lesson. Now we will start writing question answers. See, first is the filling the blanks with the help of the given words. Here some words are given in the box: machines, natural, computer, washing machine, car. Now we will write the answers. Things that are found in nature are called dash things. Which are the things that are found in nature called? Natural. So we will write here natural. The things we get from nature are natural things. Second, dash are man-made things. Which are the man-made things? So which are the man-made things? Machines are the man-made things. In last lesson also we have studied machines are man-made. Third, a dash is a machine used to move from one place to another. Which is the machine that is used to move from one place to another? Car. A car is a machine used to move from one place to another. Next, a dash is a machine used to wash dirty clothes. Which is the machine we use to wash dirty clothes? See here options. What are the options here? Washing machine. So we will write answer here, washing machine. Washing machine. Fifth, a dash is a smart machine. Which is the smart machine? See which answer is remaining now? Computer. So computer is a smart machine. It helps us to do our work very easily and fast. Next is guess the places where computers are used. First is teachers use computer in dash. See here SC, then the missing letter OO, missing letter and S. Which word will come here? Where do the teachers teach? In school. So we will write the missing letters here. H, then SCHOOLS, schools. Next is officers use computers in. In what will be the word here? OF, then missing letter I, missing letter ES. The word will be the offices. Offices. Third, doctors use computers in. Where do the doctors work? In hospitals. So HOSPITALS, hospitals. Fourth, bankers use computers in. Where do bankers use computers? In banks. BANKS, banks. Fifth, shopkeepers use computers in M-L-S. Where are the shops located? In malls. So MALLS, malls. Next question is tick the activities that you cannot do on a computer. Now here some activities are given. So let us find out which activity we cannot do on a computer. Skipping a rope. Can we skip a rope on the computer? No. We have to play it on the ground. Reading a book. Can we read something on the computer? Yes, we can read on computers. So we have to tick mark here. Next is listening to songs. We can listen songs on computer. And skating, no, we can't do skating on computer, so we have to cross out in the box. Now look at the pictures where people are using computers. Name these places. Here the two pictures are given. Can you tell which are these places? This first place is the man is calculating the amount and the lady is buying some things. So it is the shop. Next, the picture is showing the teacher and the student. So this place is school. You all have to write the second lesson in your textbook, complete it and show me.